talked through seeing your list of students and clicking on the students, and you can see their details. We have talked through, let's talk through awards. Okay, once we make awards, and now the State Financial Aid Office usually receives its appropriation in April. Some years it may not be until May. But most years they will receive the appropriation in April. They will complete the budgeting process in April and May, and will start making award offers to students in late May, early June. And so you would be able to log in to your MAAPP account once those award offers are made and see which students have been offered MTAG, MESG, or HELP, or any other program that we may be awarding. We've talked through awards. Now I'm going to show you your activity log. If you click on activity log, you can see every time as a counselor you have logged in to the system, and you can see what action you've taken. So remember when I updated the GPA information for Joe Average? That shows here. So I know if I'm going through a list of students and I know I need to update information for several students, and I get a call or a student comes in my office and I get distracted and I have to come back and I'm like, oh, did I already do that or did I not? You can actually check your activity log and see if you did or not. So that could be helpful. In your settings, you can actually come in, you can click on settings and you can come in and you can change some of your information. So you can change your email address, you can change your password, you can even change your role or your high school. Now, if you do this, just understand, and there's a big caution note here, that if you have an account and you change high schools, and so you become a high school a counselor at another high school, you do not have to create a new MAAPP account. You can use your same MAAPP account, but you would need to go in and change your settings so that you are a counselor at another high school. In doing so, you will lose access to your current high school information, and you will only be granted access at the new high school once the superintendent or headmaster at the new high school approves your request. So just understand that you can do that, but there may be a delay in when you're able to access information.